If you need to delete a header or footer in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to remove a header or footer so your document looks clean and professional. This is a really useful skill if you're editing a report, essay, letter, or any Word document that has unwanted text at the top or bottom of the page. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and go to the page that contains the header or footer you want to remove. Next, double-click directly in the header area at the top of the page, or double-click in the footer area at the bottom of the page. This opens the header and footer tools in Microsoft Word. Once the header or footer is active, look at the ribbon at the top of Word and click the Header and Footer tab if it's not already selected. From there, find the header option if you want to delete content at the top of the page, or choose the footer option if you want to delete content at the bottom. After that, click Remove Header or Remove Footer, depending on which one you want to delete. Word will instantly remove it from the document. If your document has different sections, just make sure you repeat the same process in each section that still has a header or footer. Sometimes, a document can have a first page header, odd and even page headers, or section-specific headers, so it's always a good idea to scroll through the pages and confirm everything looks correct. If you only want to remove the header or footer from one section, be careful not to delete it from the whole document, unless that's what you want. Once you're done, click anywhere outside the header or footer area to return to the normal document view. You can now save your file, and your Word document will be updated without the unwanted header or footer. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up a document in Microsoft Word, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.